November 10th, 2020 review. Which of these ratios is equivalent or equal to 3 to 4? So we have a ratio here, 3 to 4, and we're going to figure out which of these ratios are equivalent or equal to. So what I set up here is our butterfly method for all four of these options, so A, B, C, and D, to figure out which is equivalent. So A, let's put A here, so 3/4, we'll set that equal to 12 ninths, 12 over 9. Remember, we can write ratios in different forms. We can write it in with the colon, with the 2, or with the fraction. So in this case, I'm going to change them into fractions. So this part A will be this pink set. I'll put that in pink so we know that's the pink set. B we'll put in the purple set over here. So 3/4, we're going to see if that is equal to 9/12. We're not sure yet, so 9 to 12. And then part C, we'll put that in the blue over here. 3/4, we'll do 9 to 20. 9/20, or 9 to 20. And then D, we'll put that in orange. And C, it's 13 to 14. So we'll put 13 and 14. Whoop, not 13. All right, let's take a look here. So let's figure out for A, 3/4 to 12 ninths. Let's see, are they equivalent? Are they equal? Well, what's 3 times 9? I know that 3 times 9 is 27. What about 12 times 4? I know 12 times 4, so if I have 12 times 2, that's 24, 48. Is 48 and 27 equivalent? Are they the same number? Nope. So I'm actually going to change this to red because I know that's not good. That's not true. Oh, I wonder if I can put a line through it. No. Okay. So what about B? Let's look over here. 3/4 to 9/12. 3 times 12, I know that is 36. 9 times 4, I know that's 36. So those, in fact, are equivalent. Let's make sure it's B and not the rest. So let's check the other ones out. 3/4 to 9/20. 3 times 20, I know that's 2, 4, 60. 9 times 4, I know that's 36. 36 and 60, nope, not the same. Put that in red. And then I'll put this one in green. My bad. There we go. And then the last but not least, 3/4, is that equal to 13/14? Well, let's see. 13 times 4, I know 13 and 13 is 26. And then 26 times 2, 52. So 13 times 4 indeed is 52. Let's see, 3 times 14, or 14 times 3 is 42. So, nope, that is not equivalent. So our correct answer is, in fact, B, letter B. So that's it for our review. Great job!